brand new Simply Potter, and today I'm going to be whipping up a magical recipe for you all. Today I'm going to be making butterbeer pancakes, which I have made for this channel before, but I wanted to do it again because I'm kind of lazy. The last video that I made of this was like extremely cringy, like the cringe was very real. I just rewatched the video before, and also probably the biggest reason why I'm reshooting this video is that I absolutely love food. The recipe for butterbeer pancakes is on simplypotter.com. I will throw the link to that in the description below if you want to read about how to make the pancakes. Before I get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my first time viewers. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below to be made aware of when more Harry Pottery goodness comes out on the Simply Potter channel. And if you're already a Simply Potterhead, welcome back. It's so nice to have you. And if you love Harry Potter goodness, especially all things butterbeer flavored, be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up below. Here's what you're gonna need. Pancake mix. Obviously, we're making pancakes. You need pancake mix. Make sure that you have, oh gosh, I thought this was made with just water. I hope I have everything else that I need to make these. Anyway, you need pancake mix. Make sure, unlike me, that you have all the ingredients that you need on the back of the box for whatever pancake mix that you're using. Thing number 2, you need butterscotch chips. Obviously, that's how we're getting the butterbeer flavor. Thing 3, you're gonna need imitation rum extract. Okay, imitation rum flavor. What the hell's the difference between flavor and extract? I should not be doing cooking shows. Oh my gosh. And is there like actual rum flavor? Or is that just like rum? Oh my gosh, there's actually alcohol in here. Why is the rum gone? I'm derailing somewhere. You need rum flavor. Rum flavor. Optional things that you could use for your buttery pancakes, which I'm totally going to because I'm extra. I like my things extra sweet. Pancake syrup. I have original pancake syrup here, but I totally recommend using butter flavor pancake syrup. I have butterbeer butter flavor. Some whipped cream, because whipped cream makes everything so much better. I eat this stuff out of the can when I make these butterbeer videos. It's so bad. So bad. And save a little bit of your butterbeer chips to put on top of your pancakes. Step 1, find bowl. Step 2, find 1 cup measuring cup. This is so extra right now. We are going to be crushing these. Let's try this again. We are going to be crushing off the rails. Yeah, I'm just gonna sneak a few of these. Just a few. There's chips on the counter now. It's definitely the worst this kitchen's ever looked. This is the moment where having a food processor would be helpful. If you have a food processor, go on with your bad self. Put these in a food processor, turn them into a fine powder. But for those of us who don't have a food processor, we're going to be crushing them on our own. What is this? I don't know. I don't want to know. We're going to be crushing these on our own. My crushing tool. Don't judge. Empty giant wine bottle that I will be using to crush these butterscotch chips. You know, a blender would probably work too. Also, don't know if I have one of those. Like, half my stuff's in storage because I travel the country. This isn't even my kitchen. This is my friend's kitchen. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna have a lot more fun than those other people with the blenders and the food processors, because we get to take out our anger and our rage on these little sweet morsels. I don't know why I like pulling up my pants. Like, always helps me think. Like, some people like you know, you get the image of people like stroking their chins. This is my version of stroking a chin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend that these are umbrage. God, I should quit doing that. The neighbors are going to wonder what the hell's going on. Oh God. Okay, I'm back to grinding. You know, it really helps to think of your least favorite Harry Potter character. It's easy to pretend this is Umbridge. Also easy to pretend this is a Rita Skeeter. Both are bitches. Get grinded, you dumb eggs. You know, it's these times that I'm away from my phone, away from my computer, I really contemplate the big questions. Like, why, in the Crimes of Grindelwald trailer, was Dumbledore teaching defense against the dark arts? Oh my gosh. There's some wine left in the bottom of this bottle. Just kidding. Or am I? Kind of low-key jealous of all you food processor people. This is just turning into a giant, not powder. You don't remember this from the last time. We'll work it out. So here's what my butterscotch chips turned into. Some like easy mixture here, which is okay. It does need to be a powder. I don't know why I kept calling it a powder before. Just peel all the pieces away from the edge of the bowl. Now comes the pancake mix time. Because I ain't no Molly Weasley. I don't make from scratch. You're welcome to make your own pancake mix from scratch if you want to. We will need 1.5 cups of pancake mix, which apparently is standard measurement on these boxes, which is great. I'm going to put them into this bowl because, as you can see, this bowl has a lip that's good for pouring. See that Ravenclaw mine? It does work sometimes. So we have 1.5 cups of pancake mix. We need 2/3 cup of water for mine, at least, and an egg and 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to get that all put together and whipped up, and we'll move to the next step. Before I add the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to throw this in. Don't worry if it's a little clumpy. I believe the wet ingredients that we add into this dry mixture should break down the butterscotch chips, but if you want to, like I am, you can break down your chips just a little bit more in the mixture. Does anybody else like think of songs when they're like whipping up stuff in the kitchen? Before we are going to throw these on the stove top, first we got to add the last key here, which is the rum flavor. So a teaspoon of that'll do. The key to making great pancakes is consistency. So if you need to add more water, do so. If you need to add more of the pancake mix, do so. Mine are a little runny for my liking. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's looking a lot better. That's more pancakey. See those butterscotch chunks? Alright, now it's time for the most anxiety-producing event of this whole thing. And if you make pancakes a lot, you know what I'm talking about. This is the most nerve-wracking part of the entire spectacle here, which is not burning the pancakes. Seriously though, wouldn't it be cool to be a witch or a wizard? Why not? I have the short end of the stick. My Hogwarts letter didn't come. I'm almost 28. We'll be in a week. I'm still waiting for my Hogwarts letter. In the meantime, I'm over here wishing that I was like Queenie with my wand in the kitchen where I can just be like, la 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 la, and all this shit would just do its own magical little thing. My pancakes would put themselves on a plate and all would be well. No, I gotta do this scary part. You got this, Brady. You got this. Well, no I don't. No I don't. My pancakes are almost touching. That is the worst. Oh gosh, see? They're bubbling, but they're not ready. They're touching. I am the only one eating these though. Like a whole stack of pancakes to myself. Hashtag cheat day. Hashtag not cheat day. Hashtag ate gelato last night. Hashtag need to get my shit under control. Ooh, this one's ready to flip. Oh, it looks so wonderful. They actually have like an orangey, like butterscotchy flavor. Look at them. In my old Butterbeer Pancake recipe video, which I'm so glad I redid, I had this like really cringy moment in the video. It was just the pancakes in my hands and the video shaking. And it's just so cringy. I think the pancakes are done. We are gonna add our syrup. One can never have too much syrup. Okay, maybe that is too much syrup. Next up, the whipped cream. Okay, that probably looks really inappropriate. Let's just reel that back in. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I got a little out of hand. Just a little out of hand. I can barely even see the pancakes anymore. I don't know why earlier in the video I told you to like hang on, like set aside a couple spare butterscotch chips because you're only going to use a cup in the bag and you're not going to have any left over at the end. I don't know what I was thinking. Gosh, my old pancakes look so much more aesthetically pleasing than this. Seriously, like I took really pretty shots on my camera with them. These are just kind of a giant pile of cream. Now officially, it's time for the taste test. Here we go. Did I get a bite that's more than whipped cream? Yes. So much, yes. And for taste test bite number 2, as I really needed to take 2 bites for taste test. Thank you all for watching this week's video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up below and hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And if you decide to make this lovely stack of Butterbeer pancakes for yourself, I don't know why I started rubbing my stomach. I'm hungry. Snap a photo and tag me in it on Facebook or Instagram. I'd love to see your photos. The links to my Facebook and Instagram are both in the description below. So be sure to throw those up. When you throw them up, be sure to use the hashtag #SimplyPotter and tag me in them. Until next week, stay magical, my friends.